What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store, and my buddy actually called me. He's here right now. He keeps sending me pictures of everything in his cart. He's finding crazy video games, bunch of electronics, some consoles. He's like, dude, you gotta get down here. So I rolled out of bed and I drove down here, and hopefully we find some stuff. Today everything should be 50% off, so let's hope we find some good stuff. So he already looked through all the video games, but I'm gonna take a quick look anyways, see if he missed anything. A few Gamecube games, that's rare. How much are they? $5 and $4. I would almost grab them just for the replacement cases. Could be worth it. But I'm pretty sure Blue's 50% off. I don't know. I forgot to look. We're gonna check. I think this one's good. $3. Okay, what do we got? Seventh Heaven. I know one of these is valuable, so maybe that one.
Maybe this one here.
Maybe this. Oh, Madden. For the PSP. That's a cool game.
He died like a week ago.
Steve Young? Or Vince Young?
Yeah, right here.
No, that was, I think 2 days ago he died. Yeah. Boom blocks. Oh. Looks interesting. Might be something. Yo, there he is. Okay, what do you got? Oh my gosh, dude, your cart is full. Ooh, that Batman games are 99 cents?
Mm-hmm. Same with this. Forbidden Desert's a great game.
That's the piece I'm looking for is in there. Oh, you got a sealed Simpsons game?
I don't know if those are worth anything.
This is what happens when you show up early. Oh, those are original Xbox wireless.
Here you go.
Brand new sealed Twister. Oh, the GameCube. Oh, with a memory card too.
Yeah, original memory card.
Holy cow, what do you got in here?
I don't know.
Harry Potter Quidditch. It's kind of cool. This is a great game right here. Here, let's slide out of the way a little bit. What's this? Do you know what this game is?
No, it's not worth anything.
Oh, it's not?
But there's...
Oh, it's Japanese. It's import.
And then there's this one too.
Oh.
That's why I grabbed them, because there's two of them. Look at the condition.
Yeah, they look really nice. Are you gonna get them though?
I don't know. Perfect condition.
What? Oh yeah, these are all imports. That's kind of cool.
Like,
yeah, you never see that kind of stuff. Oh, this is an import also.
this one's not.
Wow. There's oh man, condition's horrible.
Look how expensive this is. It's not even
Yeah, that's very expensive. Also, these long boxes you can't reuse because everything's built in.
Oh,
it's not like the plastic cases.
Alright, so I'm putting them back. This shit is not worth anything.
They might be because they're long box. I'd still look them up.
Yeah, don't.
You got a couple Marios and Donkey Kong. Jeez. Alright, I gotta keep looking. So I just went through a bunch of these. You can see my cart right here. It's getting kind of full. We found a bunch of cool DVDs and Blu-rays, of course, like always. Some complete seasons, some brand new sealed stuff. The Birds, Black Sheep, some anime. Bunch of stuff. I did end up getting these GameCube games because they're half price. Blue's half price, so $2.50, $2.50, and $2. I'm gonna use them as replacement cases for other GameCube games that I find that have broken cases, because these are all really clean and minty, so that's nice to have replacement cases. We got that Simpsons game. He gave it to us because it wasn't really, he sells on eBay, so it wasn't really worth it for eBay with shipping costs, so I'll put that on Amazon. This Batman game, it's not worth too much, but it's only 99 cents, and I just think it's so cool. I kind of wanted it, so he gave it to me. Lake Placid, I was just talking to you guys about this. I found this on DVD the other day, and I just found it on Blu-ray, so I'm upgrading. This is my copy now. Just a bunch of really interesting stuff in here. Lots of good DVDs, Blu-rays. Ooh, another PS2 game. It's probably not worth anything, but Star Wars Clone Wars. So some really, really cool stuff. I did get a couple video games down here that are worth it. NBA Jam, The Crew, Crash Team Racing. So pretty fun stuff. So we're checking out a bunch of the games and Blu-rays, and then I look over here and I see these disc-only games. They're $13, which is kind of expensive, but it's a nice little chunk of them. We got Family Game Night 4. I'm gonna try and flip through them though, so I'm gonna grab them all and take a look. There's 4 different sets here. I doubt they're gonna be worth it, but you never know. So I did decide to grab these Wii games right here for $13 and $13. We will open them up when we get home and see what kind of stuff I got in here, but I figured it's worth the risk, so why not? Let's take a look down the board games here. Here we go. We got a Hebrew game, I think. I just found a Hebrew book in my last video, so this is kind of interesting. What's going on with all this? I doubt this is gonna be worth anything, but we'll look it up, why not? All right, so this is how I do it. I pull out my Amazon seller app and I will scan in the barcode, and it's not on Amazon, which is kind of what I expected because it's in a different language, so we'll leave that behind. And what we're trying to do is find, like right up here, here we go, we have a brand new sealed puzzle. It's a Christmas theme, which is nice. Trying to find the barcode. There's the barcode. They write over it, so that might be tough. But it's only $6. Could be worth it. We'll scan it in. And it's not on Amazon, which is another, happens a lot with puzzles, so it's no big deal. We'll keep looking and see if we could find anything. Ooh, what's this? We have a batting tee to go. It looks like it's been busted open. Don't see anything else sealed. But they do have a lot of games here, so it's very possible I'm overlooking some stuff. All right, so I've weaned down the cart a bit. We do have a few things down in here. I got some DVD sets. I went through all these, checked the discs, made sure they were all good, and they are. Oh, I forgot to look up this Deer in the Headlights game. I don't know if it's worth anything. It's $4. I'm pretty sure it's not worth anything, but we'll still try to look it up. And let's take a quick look at the board games. I know I tried to look at them for a second, but the aisle ended up getting packed with people, so I walked away. It's still pretty packed. We'll take a look. There are a whole bunch of giant Lego tubs here, but the prices are a little crazy. $125, $125, $150, and I don't think, hey, there's a brand new one right here, Lego Mixels, but I don't think I'm even seeing any minifigures in here, so that's just a bunch of parts and pieces. Actually, there's a little head down there, but for $125, that just seems insane. It is really heavy though, but I'm not gonna do that. All right, guys, we just left the thrift store. We got the cart right here. Our stuff is kind of mixed together. Well, this is all his stuff right there. Everything else is mine. Sad, sad, sad story here. It's not that sad. These disc only things, I was flipping through one, this one right here. He was buying this Kirby Epic Yarn and they couldn't find it, and then it was inside of this. I paid $13 for it, so I'm gonna give him the game. It's only a $15 game anyways, so hey, I'll be a good friend. And then we'll see what else is in here. So what I'm gonna do right now is bust this open. Let's see if there's anything good. All right, I just busted it open. I probably should open it more. There we go. We got Rubik's World, which isn't worth anything. Mario Kart Wii, which is what I saw to make me want to buy it. Lego Pirates of the Caribbean, pretty good. This is his Kirby Epic Yarn now. There you go. How's the disc? Oh, dude, they're minty. Super clean. Kirby's Return to Dreamland. That's a super valuable game. That's pretty sweet to have. Fortune Street, another pretty valuable game, $40 or so. Oh no, it's clean. Nice, good to have. Grand Theft Auto 3, not worth anything. Call of Duty 4, not worth anything, but still cool. NBA 2K14, Modern Warfare 2. Okay, so a couple good games in there though. I'll definitely take it for 13 bucks. And let's bust open this one real quick, see what's in here. All right, we got the next stack of games ready. We got a baseball game, Mario Galaxy 2. That's the main thing that I saw that made me want to buy it. I didn't really look through everything else. Lego Dimensions, NHL 03, Vice City, Madden 02, San Andreas. Not really worth it. Madden and NBA. Not really worth it. Okay guys, we are back home. It's actually been a couple days since that last clip, and I was sitting in my office editing it on the computer, and I realized I kept saying it's not worth it, it's not worth it. Those bags were still worth it, just all those games at the end weren't worth a lot of money, but that Super Mario Galaxy 2 was definitely worth the purchase. The Kirby games were definitely worth the purchase. Mario Kart in there, those were all great games. Even disc only, they're still gonna be worth all those games combined well over $100. So that's pretty cool. Plus all the ones that I got in their cases, all the ones that he got in their cases. We easily bought over a dozen games, probably closer to 20-25 games split between the both of us. So that's pretty sweet. You don't really find that every day at the thrift store. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. I will do my best to get to them. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.